Good morning, students. Today I am going to start chapter 3. In chapter 3, we have to read about squares and square roots. In previous class, we have learnt about squares. Now, in this period, I am going to start a square root, about a square root. To find the square root of any number, exercise 3 examples. Example 8. At first, working rule on finding perfect square number. Methods of finding a square root. Methods of finding a square roots. Working rule. One number. Find the prime factors of a given number. Find the prime factors of given number. In second number, make pairs of equal prime factors. Make pairs of equal prime factors. Third working rule, take one prime factor from each pair. Take one prime factor from each pair and multiply. And fourth working rule, the product thus obtained will be the required square root. Will be the required square root. Working rule for finding a square root is given is follows. First rule is to find a square root. At first find the prime factors of given number. If you are given a number, to find the square root, you at first find the prime factors of given number, and after that make pairs of equal prime factors, and then take one prime factor from each pair and multiply. The product thus obtained will be the required square root. यदि आपको कोई संख्या दी हुई है और उसका वर्गमूल ज्ञात करना है, तो आप सबसे पहले उस संख्या का अभाज्य गुणनखंड ज्ञात करें। एट फर्स्ट फाइंड द प्राइम फैक्टर्स ऑफ गिवन नंबर। और अभाज्य गुणनखंड ज्ञात करने के बाद आप क्या करें, तो उन अभाज्य गुणनखंडों का पेयर बनाएं जो समान है, समान संख्या का युग्म बनाएंगे, जोड़ा बनाएंगे। मेक पेयर्स ऑफ इक्वल प्राइम फैक्टर्स एंड देन टेक वन प्राइम फैक्टर फ्रॉम ईच पेयर। और प्रत्येक युग्म में से, प्रत्येक जोड़े में से एक पेयर, एक युग्म लेंगे और उसे गुना कर देंगे। द प्रोडक्ट दस ऑब्टेन्ड, इस प्रकार प्राप्त गुणनफल दी हुई संख्या का वर्गमूल होगा। सो दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रूल फॉर फाइंडिंग a square root. A square root of a perfect square number can be obtained by two methods. First method is called by prime factorization method, and the second method is called by division method. To find the square root of a perfect square number by factorization, find the prime factors of given number and then make pairs of equal prime factors. Take one prime factor from each pair and multiply. The product thus obtained will be the required square root. In this method, you can find the square root of any number by prime factorization method. And the second method, I give you some examples. I give you some examples to find the square root of 1764 by factorization. Example 5. The question is, find the square root of 1764 by factorization. Find the square root of 1764 by factorization using the working rule. At first, find the prime factors of 1764. We divide 2 by 1764. We get 882 as quotient, and again dividing by 2 we get 441, and after that 441 is divided by 3 3 147, and after that we divide 147 by 3. 49 is obtained as a quotient, and after that dividing by 7 we get 7 as quotient. Now 1764 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. Here the prime factors of 1764 is equal to 2 square into 3 square into 7 square. And that is, take one pair, take one prime factor from each pair. The product is through 2 into 3 into 7. The product thus obtained. Yes. The product thus obtained is 42. Hence the square root of 1764 is equal to 42. So in this method you can find the square root of a given number by factorization method. I am going to explain this method again. The working rule, first working rule of finding a square root by factorization method is, at first find the prime factors of given number. At first find the prime factors of दी हुई संख्या का सबसे पहले अभाज्य गुणनखंड ज्ञात करेंगे, और उसके बाद मेक पेयर्स ऑफ इक्वल प्राइम फैक्टर्स, उसके बाद समान अभाज्य गुणनखंडों का युग्म तैयार करेंगे. युग्म मीन्स जोड़ा. समान अभाज्य गुणनखंडों का युग्म तैयार करेंगे. उसके बाद प्रत्येक युग्म में से, प्रत्येक जोड़े में से एक एक अभाज्य गुणनखंड ले लेंगे और उसे मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, गुणा कर देंगे. इस प्रकार प्राप्त गुणनफल दी हुई संख्या का वर्गमूल होता है. आई एम गोइंग एन एग्जाम्पल टू वेरीफाई दिस रूल. If you are given the square root of 1764 by factorization method, I have done factorization 1764. The prime factors of 1764 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 7 is equal to 2 square into 3 square into 7 square is equal to 2 into 3 into 7. Here equal pair 2 into 2. There are 3 equal pairs, and we take one prime factor from each pair. After that we multiply the factors, then the required square root is equal to 42. So using this method, using this rule, you can find the square root of any number by factorization method. Again I am going to find the square root by division method. Example 8. Find the smallest number by which 180 must be multiplied so that the product becomes a perfect square number. Also find the square root of the perfect square number thus obtained. So at first we factorize 180. Solution. Factorization. Factorization of 180 is equal to is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 is equal to 2 square into 3 square into 5. Here 2 and 3. We see that in the prime factorization of 180, 5 does not occur in pair. 5 pair में नहीं है. Here we see that 5 is not in pair, 2 and 3 are in pair, but 5 is not in pair. Hence, in order to make 180 a perfect square, अब हम इसको परफेक्ट स्क्वायर बनाने के लिए हमको किस छोटी संख्या से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, वह संख्या हमें लिखना पड़ेगा. Here 5 does not occur in pair. Hence, in order to make 180 a perfect square, it must be multiplied by 5. Therefore, required smallest number is 5. Here 5, we write here 5 does not occur in pair, occur in pair. Hence, in order to make 180, in order to make 180 as a perfect square, 180 a perfect square, it must be multiplied by 5. It must be multiplied by 5. Must be multiplied by 5. Therefore, required smallest number. Therefore, required smallest number. Required smallest number is 5. Multiplying is 5 is equal to 2 square into 3 square into 5 into 5 बराबर 2 square into 3 square into 5 square. Therefore, the required square root. Therefore, the required square root. Therefore, the required square root is equal to root under 2 square into 3 square into 5 square is equal to 2 into 3 into 5 is equal to 30. Hence, the required square root of the given number is equal to 30. Again, I am going to explain this question. Example 8. Find the smallest number by which 180 must be multiplied so that the product becomes a perfect square number. वह छोटी संख्या ज्ञात करें जिसे 180 को गुना करने पर वह एक पूर्ण वर्ग संख्या बन जाए. यहाँ हम देखते हैं कि 180 पूर्ण वर्ग संख्या नहीं है, क्योंकि 180 किसी भी संख्या का वर्ग नहीं है. सो 180 पूर्ण वर्ग संख्या नहीं है. तो नाउ फैक्टराइजेशन ऑफ 180 इज इक्वल टू 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 is equal to 2 square into 3 square into 5 square. Here we see that 5 does not occur in pair. यहाँ 5 जो है सो बेजोड़ है, इसमें जोड़े नहीं हैं. 5 अकेले संख्या है, जबकि 2 और 3 परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर है और 5 परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नहीं नंबर है। तो इसीलिए हम इसे परफेक्ट स्क्वायर बनाने के लिए क्या करेंगे, इसे 5 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे। 5 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देने पर 5 भी क्या होगा, पेयर में आ जाएगा और तब हम इसका वर्गमूल निकाल देंगे। सो हियर 5 डज नॉट ऑकर इन पेयर, hence in order to make 180 a perfect square it must be multiplied by 5. Therefore the required smallest number is equal to 5, because if we multiply the given factorization by 5 we have then the given pair is in perfect square number. So multiplying by 5 we have 2 square into 3 square into 5 square. So the first part of this question, the answer is 5. Answer is 5, and now we have to find the square root of the perfect square number. So the required square root is equal to 2 square into 3 square into 5 square is equal to 2 into 3 into 5 is equal to 30. So in this method, in this way, you can solve all examples of exercise 3.3. And in next class, I will teach you about methods of finding a square root by division method. Thank you.